Welcome to ATS Trading. In just a few steps, I'll guide you on how to buy, sell, modify, or cancel your stock orders quickly. First, go to the ATS website, click on Trade, then enter your client code and password, then log in with the OTP to access your trading dashboard. To place a buy order, select your stock, click on Buy, enter quantity and price, and then tap Submit to confirm. To cancel, go to Order Summary, click on Cancel, confirm it, and your order will be removed instantly. To modify, click the pen icon, change your price or quantity, and then resubmit. Simple and quick. Always double-check your stock name, price, and quantity before placing any order to avoid mistakes. That's it. You're now ready to trade smarter with ATS. Trade safe, stay confident, and keep growing your investments.